Hi, I'm Chris Curran. Welcome to InfoComm 2026. We're here at the TMB booth N6271. Today we're going to have a look at a family of products called TMB Pro Cables. TMB's been making custom cable assemblies for the live entertainment and installation industries now for well over 40 years. As you can see, our manufacturing facilities spread out all over the world have the ability to do everything from 19-pin through to flat cable for convention centers. We have speaker breakouts, power lock, cam lock, Hubble connectors, C-forms. Also a range of multi-cores for both audio, video, and lighting. All backed by Pro Cables and Proplex products. We were the first and still the best at making custom cable assemblies in the entertainment market, both here in North America and worldwide. Come check us out or look us up at www.tmb.com.